Funky D, welcome back once again. Today, the news say 2023 presidency, Abba Kyari's campaign materials surface online. Presidency, Abba Kyari campaign materials surface online. I say Abba Kyari want to become the emperor of Nigeria. And he go become. Because all of una did there when all of us they talk about this same man, what they call Abba Kyari. But make we first go into the news before we go down to the analysis. All right? Campaign material of President Muhammadu Buhari's chief of staff, when they call Abba Kyari, they say he don't surface online. The campaign shirt and face caps, they talk say the thing done they already they generate misreactions on social media with the inscription Sustainability 2023 towards sustaining the good policies and ideologies of President Muhammadu Buhari. They say they can't write them boldly. They can't write them boldly, very boldly, so that Nigerian people una go see and well, say na Abba Kyari na ain't get them and na ain't write them. You feel me? According to the news, they say rumors don't they fly up and down everywhere when they suggest say the chief of staff say in the warm up to take over from his boss in 2023. Who be in boss? According to the way one of the claims in that President Muhammadu Buhari did there, whereas na impostor did there. In boss na Jubri from Sudan. Not be President Muhammadu Buhari. The Jubril from Sudan, when they go recruit come. Now he come be boss. Now he want represent to carry on from, because the Buhari one of the tell us, we know long ago say the Buhari don't die in 2017. Now, Abba Kyari, according to the way when they claim, the way when this news they tell us, this news they come from Daily Post. Wonder shall never end. They continue. They can't say it gets some people when they get something they call the sources. That is people when we say they know waiting day, when know about the matter, when they talk about the matter, when they tell Nigerian people about this same Abba Kyari matter. Okay? The man ambition, according to them, will say now the cause, now the major cause of the obvious crisis in the presidency. As he, Abba Kyari, allegedly sees some close allies to the president as a threat to his aspiration. For example of Buhari close ally, where do they claim? Or the presidency close ally, where do they claim? Na Osinbajo. The man see Osinbajo as a threat. Even see Tinubu as a threat. Although he never punch on Tinubu, and I don't tell him I see the Northerners, the Caliphate, the Fulani people, they must to punch down on Tinubu. They must to punch down on Tinubu. So the people now when they claim say, including that Mongono, na still Buhari, according to them, na still their Buhari close ally. So now because say this man, I already na Nigerian president, the man, already. The man I done the rule now since 2017 they come. Because I then go bring Jubri come. Since that 2017, the man 9 day into power when be the same Abakari. When they go overthrow the main president, when be the ex-dictator, Major General Muhammadu Buhari. They don't talk now say, now he make the man, they punch everybody down. Make we continue waiting this Daily Post they tell us today about this same man when they call Abakari. Okay? So this man, now because of the man, now he make the whole crisis when they Nigeria day today. Now he make Boko Haram and Hesmin that it was stronger and stronger because they don't let on know say Boko Haram then go they kill Nigerian people. Why? Abakari go they continue with his own personal agenda to rule you when no one hear what. To rule you when they call Shea Baba, to rule you when they follow the Northerners, to rule you when they follow these people when they call the Fulani people. To rule you when they follow APC and PDP. To rule you, and he must to rule you now. The man, when they are back here, must to rule the 200 million Nigerian people. Because we don't already know, see, na mouth, na social mouth, na him, everybody get in that country. Nobody know anything when they call action. Na only mouth, everybody get in that country. Abakari, since 2017, don't they control Nigeria resources? Don't they control everything that is called presidency? Don't they control everything that is called Aso Rock? Funky, this is no wonder when Mamanda or her daughter mesmerize the lady mesmerized Aisha Buhari when be una first lady. Nobody nyan, including the DSS. In fact, DSS they protect Mamanda Ora. The military people when they there, when they supposed act. All of them don't compromise. All of them they protect Abakari and this is Maman Daura. Koro I. Somebody will not be president Pekin. They mesmerize Ona Aisha Buhari. Mesmerize her. Nobody yam. Nobody talk. Now so the matter take come. Now so the matter take die. The way. But to Funky D, the matter not die. The matter, I say the matter not die. So, Daily Post they tell us say the whole nyama went there for Aso Rock. The whole katakata went there for Aso Rock. The whole crisis went there for Aso Rock today. Now because of Abakari. I don't know it before. Mongono don't come tell on her. I be Monguno. When be the NESA boss. When this same Abakari pursue Mongono, tell Mongono say make it non. They don't want to see Mongono in. They don't want to see him foot in Aso Rock again. Nobody nyam. Mongono tell on her say this man na banker. How a banker go come out and they do like say. Na him know everything concerning the security system in that country or how una go take plan on a security. When him be ordinary person when they just give position, call from outside, see, come be chief of staff. Today, ordinary chief of staff. Now him they override on a so-called president. I say shame to all of una. All of una, the whole governors, the whole ministers, the whole lawyers, the whole senators, the whole House of Rep, the whole, what did they call this? The whole justice people, when they call themselves, and then be the people when they you know, all of una are good for nothing people. The whole Southeast governor, South governor, Southwest governor, anywhere you want call them. I said all of una are good for nothing politicians. Ordinary person, when they say they just appoint her, not be say he win, not be say anybody cast a vote. In fact, the man never even. What is this? This man there for office now, they come out when they never even finished 2019. No? You know how many years will remain now to get to that 2023. The man they for inside office can't get that God. They throw out cap. They throw out cloth. They throw out hats when they want to become 2023. When they want to take over Buhari. When Buhari want to take over, the man don't do there before. I say the man now, na Nigerian emperor. Abba Kyari. And nothing will happen. I not blame Abba Kyari. I blame the southeastern part of the country. I blame the southwestern part of the country when we say that they play along with this men. Now, it go clear for Tinubu eye. Even 2019, Shatima Yarima don't come and say make Tinubu go sit down. Say Tinubu no they go nowhere. Say they don't already. And they remind on all these things we don't talk on before. Say they don't already get somebody when go be their own president. Say President Muhammadu Buhari not be their president. Say they not vote for Muhammadu Buhari. Now Shatima Yarima is still there alive. He did there. Now I talk. Say they don't already. Before people they guess RFI. Now it don't clear everybody eye now. Say na same Abba Kyari when hijack presidency. When overthrow ona so-called Muhammadu Buhari. Hey. All of una when they Nigeria, una go hear am hot from these jihadist people. Bola Tinubu from Kidi say you go hear am hot. All of una when they come out, all of una go hear am well. They continue with the same message. Okay? They can say, make you remember, say 2023 vehicle. Say he gets one vehicle when come out. I go still make that video. In fact, make I put everything in this same video. These two people. The dethroned emir of Kano. The man done already. Because that's why sometimes if people say something, make we they listen very, very well. Because it gets some people when they bring down some good message to Nigerian people, but Nigerian people, they don't want to know. That if you say the message now, why you? But for we, when they hear, we must to confirm before we yarn. Today now, we don't confirm everything. Make you remember, say, 2023 campaign vehicle of that man, that dethroned emir of Kano, when be Muhammadu Sanusi the second. They say the 2023 vehicle don't come out. It don't show online. No wonder when RFI, they follow the man 247. RFI, they follow the man 247. No wonder. So, make una see the plan of the Northerners. The Southwest people when be the Yoruba people. When all of una done already decide Bola Tinubu before. Una go see now, say, that one Nigeria, when una they claim, say, na him una be, say, it not make any common sense to anybody. That one Nigeria, when una think, say, now una want can deceive, una want take use deceive IPOB people, use deceive Nigerian people as a whole, use deceive Biafran people. Una need say, nah, that one Nigeria no hold any water. Two Northerners, in fact, three Northerners now they come out now. Abba Kyari number 1. Okay? They never finish you. RFI number 2. This guy again now when be the dethrone Sanusi now. And number 3 person when they come out in the north. Because they don't tell them when the Nigerian people say they not believe in anything zoning. But before Buhari come into power in 2019, now the zoning matter, then they make wahala. Now, when they say the thing, they don't know what they won't do again. They say power won't shift come off from their hand. They say they don't believe in zoning. All of them don't come. All of them not come. They claim say nothing like zoning in Nigeria. The same Fulani people when they kill our people. When be the Boko Haram, when be the Hesmen, when be the ISWAP, when be the jihadist people, the same people. So, when they follow Bola Tinubu, this one go teach all of them a lesson. When they follow APC and PDP, this Abba Kyari matter now go teach all of them a lesson, because all the evil when Abba Kyari don't do in that country, nobody get called Abba Kyari to questioning. Or nobody. Nobody don't ever call Abba Kyari to question this man. This impostor in Asorok. The same man now, he don't come and say, and he go continue to rule that country. Whether una like him, whether the lazy Southeast senators, the lazy Southeast governors, whether una like him, una not like him, now them must to become again. Make una dey there, they fight, they die for one Nigeria. As far as say una continue with this one Nigeria of 18, this northerners no go leave una for waste. These northerners no go leave una for waste. So, the news they tell us now say, the man, when be Sanusi, himself don't bring out his own 20... They never finished 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Sanusi don't already they bring out in own vehicles when they don't put in name Sanusi for 2023. No wonder when Quanta day between him and the other man what they call Gandola. The contact say the vehicle had the inscription All Nigerian Youth Project 2023. Let's save Nigeria. Okay. When you go down, I go put the picture so that when I go see Sanusi and waiting in the vehicles when in done they put his own campaign photos and everything when they put when he want to claim that country. Another northerner. Not be only these three people, ladies and gentlemen. There is another northern man again when they claim say he must to come out. Say nothing when go stop and say he not become president in that country in 2023. Say all of them want to take over from Buhari, the late Buhari, now him all of them want to take over. Because the person when did na Jubri. Already, they don't hijack everything. If you talk about security, it dey Abba Kyari hand. Anything when you talk about, it dey Abba Kyari hand. In fact, the news don't tell us, say, all the whole political appointment in that country. Na Abba Kyari appoint them. Say, na Buhari tell and say, making they appoint them. Which Buhari? How can the president tell his own chief of staff make it they appoint? When they give political appointment for people. Where him when the president they alive. Where that one they happen. From Kidi say na only Nigeria, all this thing they possible. Now make we go down to the matter of this Sanusi. Okay? Then before we go still go back to that Abba Kyari. So now, following his dethronement, 2023 campaign vehicle of Muhammadu Sanusi has emerged online. Okay? The campaign vehicle of Sanusi had the inscription All Nigerian Youth Project 2023, Let's Save Nigeria. A former aide to ex-President Goodluck Jonathan posted a photograph of the vehicle on his Twitter page. Record that the Kano state government had dethroned Sanusi as Emir of Kano over alleged insubordination. Following the dethronement, former aide to Goodluck Jonathan, once again that the repeater had hinted that Sanusi may contest the 2023 presidential election. However, Shehu Sani, former Kaduna Central Senator, had warned the ex-governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, against joining politics. Omukri, however, stated that the Kaduna State Governor, Nasara El-Rufai, was using the dethroned Emir of Kano to push his personal ambition. Una dey hear am. So, in this video, una must to see that Sanusi campaign vehicle. Una must to see am. So, make we still go back to this Abba Kyari of thing. The Yoruba people. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, when be IPO, be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, don't tell the whole world, see, now Yoruba people be the problem of that country. Why una they betray Nigerian people? Because of these northerners. waiting. Even the Sanusi himself have said the same thing regarding the Yoruba people. So now them be the problem of that country. Everything they in the news. So una when be governors and ministers, even those ex-governors now, when all of them don't charge, see, all of them won't come in 2023. Tell me now how una want to do this Abba Kyari, because Abba Kyari is a very big stumbling block to everybody in that country. When we say the reason why when the man becomes stumbling block to everybody, we say una refuse to stand up. The man they do, they come, they sack people. Even the man can't go to the extent of sacking the vice president aides, 35 aides of Osinbajo, people when they work for Osinbajo. This man get that gut, sack all of them. Come they talk say na Buhari send them. Buhari come, I be there Buhari or that Jubri can't come back and to say no, he not send anybody. But up to today, they not replace those people. Up to today, nobody know where Osinbajo dey. Every time we go see them, we just come out sometimes, they will say, Osinbajo chair FAC meeting. Osinbajo chair this one. Must you tell us Osinbajo? If Osinbajo chair one meeting, una go take and they brag. That one at the position when Abba Kyari don't carry from a hand. Even the Northerners don't see come and talk say the president himself, according to the way they tell us, well, we don't already know say na Abba Kyari be the main person when they play the whole game. They write the whole thing. Abba Kyari na they say when Abba Kyari say finish, he go come and go give Gabashewu. Gabashewu go come sell am for Nigerian people. Presidency say, Muhammadu Buhari say. Now don't ask una. This una Muhammadu Buhari, they not they see him for eye where they say, waiting they say on video. They not they see this una Muhammadu Buhari. So Nigerian people they there, the man sack 35 aides to the vice president of a whole nation. Everybody quiet, even the Yoruba people. Bola Tinubu said when they claim say na him won't become president, he not side him brother, he not talk anything, he not say a word regarding the matter. Even some Yoruba people when they say all of them are saboteur, some of them don't come and say now waiting Osinbajo, waiting they ask for now he get. All of them they support this Abba Kyari. Now Bola Tinubu, I don't tell una say make all of una come out clean. Content Nigerian people who did in that Aso Rock. You they still down with a foreigner 247. They day one kind picture they come they take deceive Nigerian people say na Muhammadu Buhari. Now the man when be the Muhammadu Buhari, when be the impostor Abba Kyari when they there with now the man want to show you say na him won't become. And there is nothing anybody can do in that country. Nothing when anybody, because as una no fit stand up because of that Buhari where they don't overthrow the late one. Una no go fit still do nothing. Even without election, Abba Kyari go sit down there, say na him be the president, and nothing go still happen. Now again, Abba Kyari himself, he don't go turn young guy again. This one a man again. No, when them when be the Northerners tell us say Abba Kyari don't die. Even they can't show the picture where they take do Abba Kyari funeral. He never reach 1 week. Abba Kyari, we don't see Abba Kyari again come the surface. I can't the wonder say show which kind of country be this? Somebody when be chief of staff, everything there for news. When una talk say the man don't die, now he can't still dey alive. Nigerian people, una dey into big mess. Like I said, now they cannot don't talk. Until when all of una don't realize say one Nigeria not the work. Now him una go stop to the see the suffering when una the suffer in that country in the hand of the Fulani people. How can Abba Kyari when be chief of staff? Cause still get that guts, come out. Now, when be 2019, they thought say, he won't come out to run as president. Who give him that kind of chest? Na una when be Nigerian people. The man don't hijack everything in that country. That is why you see all the whole political appointment, everything concerning politics in that Nigeria, now the Northerners they on top. Everything concerning government in that country, now the Northerners they on top. You want be Bola Tinubu, I wonder how you want to fight Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari when don't send your brother when be Osinbajo home. You don't send Osinbajo back in long time. They say that because of that memo when they write, when leak, because of this same Abba Kyari, and I made them kill that woman in Aso till today. Nobody talk. Nobody speak out. Nobody yarn. Everybody just did there. The case now. Nothing. So, una go manage them. Una go manage the Northerners. Now the thing when I say make I come out, can't tell una today. This news come from Daily Post, ladies and gentlemen. Abba Kyari now, he don't come and say, now he won't take over, he won't continue with Buhari legacy. No wonder when they tell us about 10 years. We are not saying, then tell us, say, then go lift 100 million people out of poverty from now to 10 years. Now can they wonder, say, these people now 2023, when they want their own regime go finish. Why they can't they talk about 10 years time? Acosti talk, say that time, say man, now be say these people, they're not going to leave Nigerian people alone, APC people. Now, everything don't come true. Abba Kyari now, don't jump, come and say, na him must to be. The face cap, the cloth, everything, the color, the polo, the hat, when one take become, it don't surface. One love. I say if you know, waiting go play out in 2023, may we just be predicting right now. If you know anything, if you want to predict something, oh yeah, they predict and down. I say, Bola Tinubu, you day into big mess. Into big mess. One love, everybody. One love.